Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a Zara haul with you. Those items you can mix and match with items you already have in your wardrobe. And if you don't want to miss any video from me, consider to subscribe and you are very welcome. Guys, the first items I will be sharing with you in this haul is this amazing, gorgeous blazer. I think this blazer is very fantastic. It's elegant, it's classic. You can go wrong with a neutral blazer. It's those blazers you can really style up, you can style down, you can take it to party, you can take it to church, you can take it to work. Since it's very settled, I hope you're able to see the note, and I will leave all the links below. And I decided to pair it with this skirt. I decided to go for this type of skirt. It's a 6 skirt. I think this type of number you can go wrong. It's something that you can really take to the next level. I will say for more official place, you can add any white coming to it. I decided to add this white crop from Zara, and I will leave every links below. And this sandals is from Zara too. I think this type of outfit is very settled, it's neutral. Although we have the skirt that is a little bit yellow, but at the same time it's not all over the place. This type of outfit you can take it to any destination. Depends on your sense of fashion. You can almost switch it for a crop bra. Depends on your style. Depends on the way you like to carry your body. I decided to go for this number because I just love the whole neutral color. And the blazer, the neutral is very settled. I hope you can see. And I decided to pair this bag that have the designer bag is from Zara. I think this type of bag you can't go wrong. For evening out, for dinner, you are ready to go. I hope I'm able to show you this outfit. I think it's amazing. It's gorgeous. I think it will look nice in everybody's shape. And the skirt have these details of ruche. I think it's just plus. I just love the elegance, the settledness, the fact that it's not picking at all and it's not screaming. Although they are colorful, but the color is not all over the place. I think with these sandals, it just complements this outfit. So let me know what you think about this first outfit. I'm doing this video because of one of my subscribers that said I should create outfit with haul, with new items that Zara have in the shop, so that I can give them a little bit sense of fashion, the way I like styling my outfits. I just love it. I think it's a great video. It's just a way to play with fashion, but instead of pick pieces that they are not all over the place, they're not too expensive, something that can work for different type of body. And in this video, I will be sharing different type of outfit, different type of destination, and different type of fit and colored. We have colored, we have neutral, so keep on watching. I hope you can see the outfit. I think this number here is amazing. I just decided to start with this neutral. I think this neutral look very elegant and chic. And let me know what you think about this total neutral with a peak of yellow. I think you can go wrong. It's very summer appropriate, but at the same time, since you have this amazing blazer, you can just take it to autumn. I think it's very easy and elegant. So let me know what you think about the shoe and bag and the combination, the way I decided to style it. Guys, the second items I will be sharing is this amazing number. I think this item is gorgeous, is elegant, is sophisticated, but at the same time, it can show a little bit skin, but without overdoing. I hope I'm able to show you. I will say this number here is amazing. I just love it. I think it looks very chic, very evening appropriate. It's elegant and it's sophisticated at the same time. I just love this skirt. I think the skirt length is amazing. What I love about this number is the color. I think it will look nice in every skin tone, in every age. It's very beautiful and elegant. I see this number here, I will say size down because it's very elasticated. And for size reference, every item in this one is medium. Just to give you a reference, I think this number here is amazing. And you can decide to size down if you are somebody that loves items that is a little bit fitted in this particular number. It's very stretching. And this type of number, I just love it. I love the color. The fact that it goes well with neutral, with black and white. Wow. You can add any white blazer you have at home. You are ready to go, or a red blazer. I decided not to add the blazer so that I can really show you the fit. You can see the way you look on my body type. Based on your body type and this body I have, I love it. I think I look nice on me. So let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this type of number? I think it's sophisticated, it's elegant, at the same time it's tasteful. Depends on your destination. If you are going a place that is a little bit more official, since the crop is very crop, I would say add any blazer of your choice, especially from white, neutral, nude. I think it goes well with this type of number. And a black blazer, wow, you will take it to the next level. Or you can do a black blazer, a black shoe and bag, can go wrong. This type of number is amazing. I love this type of number. I don't know if I'm able to show you. This skirt is very elasticated, so depends on your sense of fashion. I love items that are a little bit comfortable, so I decided to pick it in media. S will do the job. I think this number is amazing. We see it on the cut art. The elegance, the class is very lovely. It just work with your body, and if you are someone that a little bit cool like me, you will just move around of your body. We just accentuate what you want to accentuate and hide other items you want to hide, so it's not see-through at all. It's something that you can take in consideration. I love this type of number that I can really play with. You can add any black blazer with a black crop top. With this skirt, you are ready to go. Or even with the crop with a black denim super high waist trouser, a blazer, you can't go wrong. I will say this type of number is something that you can really mix and match with other items you have in your wardrobe. I love this number, and let me know what you think about these pieces. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this amazing number. It's a skirt and blouse. I just love this symmetric and I think it's gorgeous. It's very elegant and chic, but at the same time it's very simple. You can't go wrong with this type of number. You can add any brown blazer, black blazer, just name it. I love this type of number, but I decided to show you just the complete outfit so you can really see. I decided to keep it very easy. It's a black bag and a black sandal, so that I will just keep everything very simple, very easy to style. And this bag is from Girls. I just love it. I think it's very evening appropriate. It's very tasteful. And the shoe is from Prima Donna. I just love this outfit. I just love the color. It's very simple to create, but at the same time it's very elegant. With this type of number, you can't go wrong. And for size reference, the skirt is medium and the blouse is medium. I will still go to your true size, because this number here, once again, is the one that is very elasticated. So if you love something that is a little bit more fitted, I will say size down. But for my personal taste, I just love the number because it's not too restrictive. I can still eat some food at the same time looking comfortable. I think this type of number, you can't go wrong. It's very elasticated. I just love the elegance and the class of this number, and the fact that it's very simple. Of course, if you're someone that loves color, you can add any color bag or color shoe to it. But personally, I decided to go for a neutral color block, something that is very easy and simple to create. So let me know what you think about this number. I think this number, you can't go wrong. It's very elegant and chic. And I will leave all the links below so that if something that you have interest for, you can go and pick your pieces. I think in evening art with this type of number, you can't go wrong. It's very elegant and chic and tasteful. It's not all over the place. So I say to pick different type of blouse, different type of styles, so that depends on your sense of fashion and different type of color. Some of us will love color, some of us will really like color. So I start with yellow, I go for the red, now we're in the white. So I have other color to show, I have other number to show. I think this type of number, you can't go wrong. I just love the elegance and the class. So let me know your favorite pieces, the one you prefer. And if you have other type of video you want me to do, leave me comment below. I will do it. I love this type of number. A little bit challenging, but at the same time it's very lovely. I have items to wear to add. I think this type of number, you can go wrong. So let me know what you think in the comment below. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this amazing pieces. I hope you can see this corporate number. I think this type of number, you can't go wrong. It's very elegant. It's evening appropriate. You can take it to dinner, you can take it to lunch, you can take it to, depends on your destination, of your sense of fashion. I think this type of number, you can go wrong. You can add a leather jacket, depends on your weather, of your sense of fashion, or if you want to play with it, if you have any neutral blazer or a yellow blazer, I say why not, or even a white blazer, I think it goes well with this type of number. So let me show you the details. I think it's amazing. It's very lovely, although at the same time you can really play with it. You can bring it down. Even with a denim jacket, you are ready to go with the sneakers. I just decided to style it up for evening art because one of my subscribers asked me for evening art. I'm doing her for evening art. I think it's very elegant, it's tasteful, something that you can really play with. I decided to pick different type of pieces, different type of color, different type of sense of fashion, so that depends on your sense of fashion, you will find one or two that will work in your wardrobe. Even with this crop, you can add a denim jacket and a denim short. You are ready to go. It's just a way to catch fun with. As you think this number, you can go. I love this skirt. I think it looks very nice and elegant, and the length is amazing. It's very lovely and evening appropriate. You can't go wrong with this type of number. And if you really want to take this fashion to the next level, I will say a gorgeous yellow blazer or a neutral blazer like the number I showed before, you can't go wrong. Or a total brown shoe and a brown bag. I decided to keep it very neutral because I know that we all have different type of wardrobe, so that you can really see the fit. I decided to concentrate on the elegance, the fit of the skirt and the blouse, so that I didn't add anything. I have a yellow blazer, different type of yellow blazer that goes with this outfit. But I want you really to see the amazing number and let me know what you think about the pieces I pick. I think they look very tasteful and chic, but at the same time, without breaking the bank, we are taking our outfit to the next level, but without breaking the bank. So let me know what you think about these pieces I pick. I think this number is very tasteful and elegant at the same time. Guys, in this number, I decided to go for a very classic and simple outfit. I think you can go wrong with this type of number. You will look nice in everybody type. It's a total black outfit. I think it's very lovely and elegant. I will say for this skirt does not have any elasticate here, so take that in consideration if you are picking it for your size. I decided to pick it in media. As I said, your skirts, they are all media, and the blouse. But I said the blouse is very elastic, and the skirt does not have any stretching at all. So take that in mind when you are picking your size. I would say this type of number, you can go wrong. A total black outfit is very lovely and appropriate for evening. So let me know what you think about this number. I think it's very tasteful. It's not all over the place. For those of us does not love color, I would say I decided to pick this type of number so that I will just combine everybody's taste. Something that is very neutral, very colorful, and a total black outfit, a total white outfit. You can't go wrong. I think this type of number is very lovely and elegant. I would say this number is amazing. I love a black skirt. I think a black skirt is essential. It's a casual wardrobe. It's those items you can really play with. You can style it up, you can style it down. With this type of number, I can decide to switch this skirt for a super high waist trouser. I'm ready to go. Or I can decide to switch this for a total black outfit with a blazer. I will just take this outfit to the next level. I decided to break it down so that we can really concentrate on the Zara number, so we can see the fit of the skirt, the way it looks in my body type, and the blouse. I think this type of number, you can go wrong. It shows a little bit skin, but it's not all over the place. It's still very tasteful. For those of us that prefer to wear something that is a little bit covered up, I would say this type of number, you can go wrong. It's evening appropriate, but at the same time, it's not all over the place. This skirt, you can style it for daily with a flat white sandals or covers, or you are ready to go with a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt. Depends on your sense of fashion. I just love this number. I think it look good. You will see it on the cutter. Like I said, every size is size medium. I think it look very lovely and tasteful. So let me know your favorite outfit, and if you want to see this type of video from me, leave me comment below. I will take into consideration. I love doing this type of number because it's just a way for me to know what my subscriber want from me. I love doing this type of video because I love picking all these pieces. I think it's very interesting what you can create with a Zara outfit. You can take it to dinner, you can even take it to party, because total black outfit like this, you are ready to go. You can take it to any destination. So any video you want to see from me, leave me comment below. I will take it into consideration. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you are very welcome. My name is Oma.